If your locks are thinning, this is not random. And if you don't fix it early, it can turn into permanent balding. Let's talk about what really causes thinning and how to stop it before it's too late. Now, before we get into this video, make sure you check out my Healthy Hair Workbook. It is designed to help you understand and maintain and grow your natural hair with intention. Track your hair type, porosity, density, damage, moisture levels, and monthly progress, all in one organized, easy-to-use guide. There is an interactive version for your iPad, tablets, or phone, or you can get the downloadable printable version if you'd like to physically write in the book. Both are in the description below. So the first topic we're going to dive into is tension. When your hair is constantly pulled, it is damaging the follicles. Over time, that can lead to thinning and balding on the scalp. You should not feel pain after retwisting or styling. That pain is your scalp telling you something is wrong. This goes for heavy locks as well. As hair matures, it gets heavier, especially after the budding process. This is why, after a while, a great trim is necessary, as it will get rid of the heavy ends. This goes for extensions as well. If it doesn't match the hair density of your strands, it can pull them out. So if your locks are bigger than the base, that is a super red flag. So topic number 2 we're going to dive into is retwisting too often. Retwisting every 2 to 3 weeks keeps the hair in a constant tension cycle. Your scalp needs to rest. Constant manipulation of your roots weakens them, especially if you have low density hair, fine hair, even microlocs. Sometimes less maintenance equals healthier locks. Alright guys, so number 3, ignoring your hair density. Not everyone should get super small locks. If you have low density hair and install tiny microlocs, your scalp will show over time. It's not that locks are bad. It's that your density must match your lock size. Speaking of hair density, guys, make sure you check out this video that goes over in-depth information about your hair density. Now guys, we're going to take a major turn and talk about something else that causes major thinning and balding of the scalp. Medical issues. Let's go. So number 1, we're going to talk about alopecia. There are 3 types of alopecia. The first one is traction alopecia. Now this happens from long-term tension, tight styles, heavy locks, and constant retwisting. The hair follicles get stressed and eventually stop producing hair. Alright guys, so the second alopecia is alopecia areata. This alopecia has your immune system attacking your hair follicles, causing random bald patches. It can happen even if you take perfect care of your locks. Alright guys, so the third one is a tongue twister. So I'm just going to say CCCA, or centrifugal cicatricial alopecia, but this one is common in black women. It starts at the crown and spreads outward. It's a scarring type of hair loss, which means early treatment is very important. This is caused a lot of times from burns to the scalp, usually from hot tools or relaxers. Now those were the alopecias, but we also have other medical reasons for thinning and balding. So the next one is thyroid disorders. Now, your thyroid controls hormones. If it's off, your hair can thin. If you're noticing fatigue, weight changes, dry skin, or anxiety along with thinning locks, it may be time to do some blood work. The next one is hormonal imbalances. Things like PCOS, postpartum changes, and menopause. Hormones play a big role in your hair health. If your edges are thinning and you're also dealing with irregular cycles or acne, don't ignore it. The next is nutritional deficiencies. Now your locks need nutrients to thrive. Common deficiencies are iron deficiency, which is anemia, vitamin D deficiency, protein deficiency, B12 deficiency. If your body doesn't have what it needs, your hair is the first thing to suffer. The next is stress and trauma. High stress can push hair into a shedding phase. This can happen after illness, surgery, childbirth, emotional trauma, or extreme stress. Now, the last thing we're going to go over is scalp infections and conditions. Things like seborrheic dermatitis. If your scalp is constantly itchy, flaky, inflamed, or painful, that inflammation can weaken follicles over time. Now, let's dive into when to see a doctor. Now, see a dermatologist if you notice sudden bald patches, thinning is spreading quickly, your scalp burns or feels sore, and hair isn't growing back at all. Early intervention can prevent permanent damages. Your hair health reflects internal damages. So if you're noticing thinning, don't panic. Investigate. So in closing, here's how to protect your locks. Stop tight styles. Extend times between retwists. Keep your scalp clean. Avoid heavy extensions. Don't ignore soreness. And choose the right lock size for your density. Now, if you're already experiencing thinning, loosen styles immediately and reduce tension. See a professional if needed. And most importantly, guys, don't wait to correct. Thinning does not happen overnight. It happens from small habits over time and health issues. And always remember, guys, healthy locks are not about perfection, it's about protection. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe.